Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this quick and very simple video I'll be showing you guys how you can actually set or restore the Hikvision DVR to its factory default so that it will come back to its original way, whereby every settings you've made will be restored back to its original way. It's very simple. Then just plug your mouse to your DVR and come on your mouse and right click on your mouse and get this pop-up menu. And on this pop-up menu, you can see here menu here at the first option here. Just tap on it. If you tap on it, then they will ask to put your password. So put your password or pattern. So I just come here and tap and click it and drag my pattern is C to log in. So I have login right now. So right now, to restore back or to factory reset back my Hikvision DVR, I just come here at the top right corner here. You can see right here maintenance, so I will just tap on it. If I tap on it, and you can see here I have here factory default, you can see, right? So we have here simple restore and factory default. So if you want to do a factory default so that it will come back to its default way, just come here and tap on this factory default. You can see here confirm. System will reboot automatically after restoring to factory setting. Continue, just come here and tap on this OK. You can see they're asking for your admin password. You know, before you create a pattern, you must first of all create a password first. So come here and put your password. So I'll come here and put my password here. If I enter my password, I'll tap OK. So right now you can see system is rebooting. So it means once I'm done factory resetting, my Hikvision DVR will come back to its original factory default. So let me wait and see why the whole thing restores back. You can see that the system is rebooting. So after that, I will have to lose my password, my pattern. I will have to configure again newly afresh. So you can see that right now it has come back to its original way. So guys, that is it. And in my next video guys, I'll show you guys how you can actually configure or set up your Hikvision DVR for the first time. So for now, thanks for watching and bye.